let's see. Ruby. So let's how we'll get this done would be, so select elements where index is even. So the name of the parameter inside of the parenthesis array dot select dot width underscore index, then the curly brace, give a space, you put a stroke underscore comma I a stroke dot even, and print remove other, unless no, it ought to be the square bracket. I think it's not use print, they use put, I think so. Then you end by saying dot inspect, remove every other. Okay, let's test and see. Okay, I missed I. Ought to be I dot even. So array dot select dot with index, then curly brace. Yes, let's see again and see. Okay, it worked. Good.